Midday News is brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. Polling for the third phase of the District Development Council elections in Jammu and Kashmir began on a dull note as foggy and chilly weather conditions kept most people indoors early on Friday. The polling for the 33 DDC seats, 16 in Kashmir and 17 in Jammu division, began at 7 am, but little enthusiasm was seen at the polling stations in the valley. They said voters' turnout is expected to pick up late in the day as the polling is scheduled to conclude at 2 pm. There are a total number of 305 candidates in the electoral fray, including 166 from Kashmir division and 139 from Jammu division, for DDC elections in the Phase 3. Out of the 305 candidates, 252 men, where 53 are the women candidates. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Thursday said India stands committed to retrieving Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and it was the only outstanding issue between the two countries. Referring to the resolution the Parliament passed in 1994, wherein it was unanimously accepted by all parties that Pakistan had to vacate the areas of Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir. The minister said these areas continue to remain under the illegal occupation of the neighbouring countries even after so many years. Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday recorded 582 fresh COVID-19 cases, which took its tally to 111,712, while 10 more fatalities pushed the Union Territory's death toll to 1,718. Of the fresh cases, 310 were from the Jammu division and 272 from the Kashmir division. The Jammu district recorded the maximum fresh cases at 142, followed by 126 in Srinagar. The number of active cases in the Union Territory stands at 5,104, while 419 patients recovered from the infection. So far, 104,890 patients have recovered. Principal Secretary to Lieutenant Governor Nitishwar Kumar on Thursday visited the Mubarak Mandi complex and inspected the ongoing restoration and renovation work of the heritage site. During his visit to the museum, the Principal Secretary laid special emphasis on the protection of local manuscripts. He directed the concerned officers to take necessary measures to safeguard the building and documents that will require immediate protection. India's COVID-19 caseload rose to 95.71 lakh, while the total number of people who recuperated from the disease crossed 90 lakh, pushing the national recovery rate to 94.20%. The total coronavirus cases mounted to 95,71,559, with 36,595 new infections being reported in a day, while the death toll climbed to 1,39,188, with 540 new fatalities. The active COVID-19 caseload continued to remain below the 5 lakh mark. Divisional Commissioner Jammu Sanjeev Verma on Thursday reviewed the progress of work on Ring Road project here at a meeting with the concerned officers. The DIVCOM asked the executing agencies to remove the bottlenecks, if any, and expedite the pace of the work to meet the timelines. He also instructed the NHAI to further gear up men and machinery to expedite the work for timely completion of the prestigious road project. Talks between three union ministers and representative group of thousands of agitated farmers failed to yield any resolution on Thursday, as the union leaders stuck to their demands for the repeal of the farm laws and even refused the lunch, tea and water offered to them during almost 8 hours long hectic parleys. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, who led the government side at the fourth rounds of talks at the Vigyan Bhavan, later told reporters that the next meetings will take place on Saturday at 2 pm, which he hoped would take the matter to a decisive stage and towards a resolution.
सामान्य तौर पर कुछ बिंदु निकाले गए हैं जिन पर किसान यूनियन की चिंता मुख्य रूप से है। हम लोग प्रारंभ से ये बात कह रहे थे कि भारत सरकार किसानों के हितों के प्रति पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध है और आने वाले कल में रहेगी। सरकार का कोई ईगो नहीं है और सरकार हर विषय पर पूरा खुले मन से किसान यूनियन के साथ चर्चा कर रही थी। किसान यूनियन और किसानों की चिंता है कि जो नया एक्ट आया है उससे एपीएमसी वो खत्म होता है।
Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister Dr. P.K. Mishra on Thursday chaired a high-level meeting to review the sector-wise implementation of projects under the Prime Minister's development package in Jammu and Kashmir. Chief Secretary J&K B.V.R. Subramaniam along with the secretaries of various departments participated in the meeting. Extensive deliberations were held to review the progress of 54 key developmental projects being executed by the central ministries and UT governments across the various sectors. The Chief Secretary B.V.R. Subramaniam on Thursday chaired the maiden meeting of the UT-level Monitoring Committee constituted under the Scheduled Tribe and Other Traditional Forest Dweller Act 2006, which was recently made applicable to Jammu and Kashmir. The Chief Secretary impressed upon the Forest Department to kickstart the initial survey of claimants by forest right committees and access the nature and extent of rights to be recognized and protected. India on Thursday stressed that the core issue in the ongoing military standoff with China in eastern Ladakh was the need to strictly follow the various bilateral pacts and protocols in the entirety of maintenance of peace along the line of actual control. The US-China Economic and Security Review Commission said in its latest annual report to the US Congress that the Chinese government had planned the Galwan Valley incident in June, potentially including the possibilities for fatalities. Principal Secretary, Housing and Urban Development Department Dheeraj Gupta on Thursday chaired a review meeting with senior officers of concerned department regarding the UT-level Advisory Committee for Implementation of Plastic Waste Management Rules 2060 here at the Civil Secretariat. He is also chairman of committee. Threadbare discussions were held at the action plan of the plastic waste management and present status of actions taken on previous meetings of the committee.